Method of research: data gathering procedure. To gather the needed data for the study, the researchers use the following. First step: securing the approval of the organizational managers under investigation.
Second step: the survey questionnaire will be administered to the respondents, the delivery riders, and the HR practitioners upon acceptance of the submission. Third step: retrieving questionnaires from the respondents. Fourth step: tabulating and computing the data with the aid of the statistician and the advisor. Fifth step: analyzing and interpreting the conclusion of the data with the assistance of the advisor. And lastly, the findings of the data were displayed in tabular or textual form. Percentage was used to quantify the profile of the respondents. Weighted mean in Likert scale. Weighted mean. It is the sum of the item values divided by the total numbers of the item.
The scale interpretation of the questionnaire consists of very satisfied, satisfied, neutral, unsatisfied, and very unsatisfied.
T-test. This was used to determine whether or not significance exists between the assessments of the two groups of respondents.